你要解释吗？
自己讲，你要分手都可以。
So somebody came home from Singapore and brought these back for me. So let's open it up together. So we have no idea what's in there, and the available options are here. I'm hoping that we can get a McGonagall, a Sirius Black, maybe a Harry Potter. I don't mind Hermione, but other than that, yeah. Okay, first one.
那我的梦也是很 cute 的。
是我看到也是很 cute。
应该会更快的。
I think this is Harry Potter. Hey, it's Ron. So cute.
还有那个 base 吗？没有 base。
没有。Oh, and they have a card. Okay, second one. Hey!
这个隐藏版。
Is it? No, it's the original one, I think. Yeah. Ah, so cute. Oh my god, if I get Hermione, that would be so awesome.
哇，是哎。
Okay, so that's Harry. So cute. Okay, and the last one is the heaviest.
因为我应该头发最大个。
哦，有可能哦。Let's see if we can get Hermione.
Hermione 或者是那个老师。
Feels very big. Oh, there's the hat.
哦，有 hat 啊。
Yeah.
是那个。
Yeah, it's McGonagall. Oh, nice.
我就讲那个好像特别重。
So cute. And they gave us Hedwig. Oh my god.
我觉得不是 special 好像是骑 broom 的，可是 this is also I think is one of the special ones.
Yeah. No, it looks like this one.
No， 这个是拿 wand。
哦。
这个是拿 wand， 那这个是 Harry Potter with magic wand 嘛。
Oh, so we got a
然后
special one.
这个是 Harry Potter with Hedwig， 这是它的封面的。
Okay.
它 special 的是骑 broom， 我们找过了。
So cute. So he'll have a wand also.
对对对，还有个 wand。
I found Ron's wand. So guys, when you unwrap this, make sure you don't throw away the components. So cute.
因为那一直给占了。
I think no need because McGonagall is already like the base is already thick.
Oh yeah.